Hey, good morning from Paris. Just wanted to check in with everybody and just wanted to give you a quick look around the apartment we're staying in. I tried doing this video once already and it was too long-winded. Just quick thing, this is an apartment in a residential apartment building in the 15th district of Paris, working class neighborhood. There's plenty of people that live around here. This isn't some kind of business place. It's just an apartment that her company has rented for just such an occasion. Alba's here getting training for her new company, and they've been very accommodating. They've been very welcoming to her, and I'm glad that's working out for her. And I just wanted to give you a quick look around at what's here. So I'm going to be looking down at the screen so I can do this, but hold on, I'm going to show you a couple of things, all right? All right, first of all, here's the bedroom, which is also the living room. You get this little area here. You can see we've got clothes drying on the window here, but you sleep here, you do your thing here, you got a couch and stuff. There's no dining room table. There's just the, you got like a countertop to sit at and eat. Hold on. Here's the bathroom. There's, conveniently, thank goodness, there's a washing machine here. So you're able to kind of stay ahead of the curve on dirty clothes. There's a little closet area back there. The shower is a nightmare. You need an engineering degree to figure out how to work the shower. And then standing on that, in the shower base, it's like standing on the ends of 2x4s. It's really delightful. So now we're in the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. You got 2 burners here. This is where you also get to put your pots and pans and plates when they're drying, because they're all conveniently like 6 inches from the sink that you have. So you get this little sink basin. You got a microwave. If you're French and use a microwave, there's probably something not legal about that. And then you get a little pantry closet where you put food and stuff, and it could be worse. Now I've saved the best for last, okay? You notice there's a bathroom where you take a shower and wash your clothes and also doubles as a closet. But where do you go to the bathroom? Well, you go in this little area here, all right? So you can get a perspective on this. That is about 3 feet wide, maybe 3.5 feet wide. All I know is when I sit on the throne, my knees touch the walls on both sides. And if I lean forward a little, I bump my head into the door with it closed. So quite an adventure. I have a couple of friends who've gotten drunk and gone to the bathroom and the closet by accident. Now I understand, the feeling. What a mess. But don't get me wrong, Paris is just like, it's honestly the closest city I've seen to New York City in terms of like the people and stuff. There's panhandlers, there's all this other stuff just like you'd find in New York. The difference being that most of the panhandlers are not native Parisians, if you get my drift. So, big thing. And I haven't seen a lot of cops. I don't know if it's because they stay out of the tourist areas. I don't know if there's something going on with, I know they've had issues, morale issues like the NYPD. I can count on one hand how many cops I've actually seen walking around, patrol cars, things like that. I've seen maybe 5 cops. But, it's an okay city. It's the people, Alba's coworkers, her, the people she works with are really nice people. But outside of that, I really haven't spoken to anybody to get a good impression, except that everybody likes to correct your pronunciation of French. So, oh well. But, just want to let you guys know what's going on. And I'll talk to you if anything good comes up, all right? Take care.